In this video, I'll show you how you can create a functional Contact Us page in Google Sites. This will be a very quick and easy solution. So here's what you need to do. So first go to Google Sites and then obviously find the website you want to add the form to. Now, what we need to do is we need to make room for the form. So go to Pages, go ahead and then create a Contact Us page. So I'm going to write here Contact Us, we can click Done and create that new page. Now, I'm not going to get into detail on how to edit the page. We will just go ahead and insert a form. So go to Insert, then you can go ahead and insert a form. So scroll all the way down and here you'll see Forms. Go ahead and click on that and it's then going to ask you to either choose a form or I think you can create a form within here. Now this is going to make use of Google Forms. So what we can do is we can create the form and we can add that form to our website. So go to Google. And what I would do here is just type in Google Forms and you can then go ahead and open up Google Forms and we can create our very simple Contact Us form. Now you can use their template, it might be easier. So click Contact Information. I'm pretty sure they do have other templates as well. You can also create from scratch. So this here is pre-filled with different questions here. Now we are going to delete some of these. So I'm going to delete this comments, the phone number, the address. You can do that by clicking on the trash can icon. So now we've got name, email, and I need to add one more and I'll put here message. And we can go ahead and change that to a paragraph. So now in this form, it's called contact information and people can enter their name, email, and message. Now we could go ahead and go to customize theme, customize the font, the colors, and you can also upload your own heading. But for the video, we're not going to do that. I'm just going to essentially go back and that will save that form. Now go to Google Sites and you'll see your form appear. Go ahead and click on it, click insert, and it will then place your form on the page, which you can just quickly resize. So go ahead and resize this to your liking. Once you've done that, publish your website, click publish again. And there you go, here is your Contact Us form on your Google Sites. Now all of the queries for this are going to be in the form. So if you go to Google Forms, you'll be able to see all of the queries and messages in responses. So I hope that video was simple and did help you out.